Hi everyone and welcome to Himas Academy. Today I'll show you how to make a cookie clicker using Scratch. This is how it will look like after we're done. We have to click on the cookie to get cookies, and then when we have enough cookies, we can either upgrade the value per click or how many we get per second. So I bought the value upgrader. Now if I click, I get 2 instead of 1. Now if I click on this, every second I get 2 cookies. Because my value is 2, now I opened a new project on Scratch and I made a cookie using some circles. A brown circle with darker brown circles inside. When green flag is clicked, first of all, we'll go to our backpack and I'll get this block. This is when green flag clicked forever. Set y to 70 plus 17 times cosine of timer minus 4 times 200. This will give it a floating effect. You can change the numbers for different positions. For example, I could change this to minus 29 or 25 and the timer minus 10. Then set x to 0 so I can't drag the cookie somewhere else. And then turn 1 degrees. You can make it 2 or 3, but I like 1, so I'll keep it. Next, when green flag is clicked, if this cookie is clicked, so forever, if and if mouse is down and touching mouse pointer, then set size to 120. I'm going to use an if else for this. If it is, then set size to 120 or else set size to 100. So if I click this, it should increase the size. I'm going to remove this mouse down so it's only if touching mouse pointer. And then save it. Next, I'll make a variable called cookies. This will be the variable to count the number of cookies we get when green flag is clicked forever, because we always wanted to check if and the same thing as before. If mouse down and touching mouse pointer, it doesn't matter what order this is, change cookie by 1 and then wait until not touching mouse pointer and mouse down. You can just use not mouse down for the click. So if I start this, each time I click it, I get 1 cookie, and then it's adding it. Next, I'm going to paint a sprite. This is going to be our first button, which is upgrade value. This is just going to be a box. I'm going to make it blue. And about this size is okay. And then you have to move it to the center. I want my button to be at the corner, so I'll place it here. And then change the fill. And then I'm going to copy this cookie and paste it over here. Make it a bit small and put it right in the center. Now we have our button. I'm going to copy this into the upgrade value. So when it's touching, it will also increase. Next, if when this sprite is clicked, then if no forever, if greater or equal to, this is for the buying part. And then we'll make a variable called cost for upgrade. This can be for all sprites. Cost for upgrade of cookie value. I'm going to hide that. And then if cookie is greater than cost for upgrade, or cookie is equal to cost for upgrade, then change cookies by cost of upgrade times -1. This is going to be so that it subtracts. -1 will make it negative. In the starting, we also have to set it to 0. Set cookies to 0 and set cost for upgrade to 5 or whatever value you want. So if I start this, I can click this 5 times and then upgrade it. Now it subtracts the money I'm going to place my variable over there so I know the cost. Next, after it subtracts the money or the cookies, then make another variable called value per of cookie per click. I'm going to hide this and change cookie by value per click, and in the starting set it to 1. In the upgrade value, set value of cost for upgrade to cost for upgrade times times 2. So it increases every time. And then set the value of cookie per click to value of cookie per click times 2. So if I click it now, I'll get 5 cookies, and then if I buy this, I get 2 per click. And the value for the upgrade is 10. Now I duplicate it and put it at the other side for this is going to be for cookies per second. So we'll make a variable called maybe cookies per second, and then another one called cost for upgrade for cookies per second. That's going to be a large readout, and place it right over there. Then if cookie is greater or equal to cost of upgrade for cookies per click. So change cookies by cost for upgrade um, set cost of upgrade to that, and set cookies per second to 2. When green flag click, forever change cookies by cookies per second. Wait 1 second. In the starting, set cookies cost for upgrade to 5, and then set cookies per second to 0. Now it works. But even if I do it, this is the problem here. Set cookies per second to cookies per second times 2. So if it's clicked and we buy it, then set cookies per second to cookies per second times 2. So what we have to do here is delete it and delete this. Set cookies per second to round value of cookie per click. You can do times 2 or 3, but I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to make another sprite. This is going to be a background. Right in the center. You have to do this in bitmap or else you won't get it. I'm just going to fix this. From white to a very light blue. Right about here where the cookie is. Now for the upgrade value per second, I'm going to make it a bit green. So I'm going to go into the normal color and then fill it. Now this is done. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.